everyone, I've just come to share with you two journals that I've made. Both of these journals the covers were inspired by ARTYmaze. She put up a video yesterday showing how to do all the kind of layering on the cardstock, and I will link her video below, so if you haven't already seen it then pop on over and have a look. Mine are a little bit different, but the idea came from Andrea. So I will start with this one, and this one measures 7 3/4 by 5 1/4, has one signature and 84 pages front and back. And as you can see, the cover here, it's a clasp envelope, and it's been inked up, it's been Mod Podged. I've put some digital paper on the front and back cover. Then there's the card here, the layering of the card, and it has got cardstock, it's been sewn. There is dictionary page behind there, there is cheesecloth. The image here is from ARTYmaze, and all the ideas on here are roughly from ARTYmaze's video that she done. The little kind of flat squished rose. Haven't done them in ages. I used to do them with ribbon years ago, but this is actually done with paper. There is a flower underneath there, and then there's some eyelash trim. We've got a metal embellishment here with some bling. There is a few layers of cheesecloth here with this this is actually a ruffled ribbon that I just made into a bowl, and it's got the bling in the middle. There is eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure, and I've put cotton fabric tabs on the edges of some of the papers. So let's go inside. The main pages that I've used in this is from Tsunami Rose, and it's the new Charming Fragments Part 2. So let's do a flip. So here we have a tag and some ephemera, and this is one of Terry Woods' flips. If you've seen them, if you've watched my other videos, then you will know what this is. And I always struggle to do this on camera. Da-da! I've done it. It's because I'm to stretch around the holder that my phone is on. It's not really a tripod, it's like a bendy thing that it's on. So we've got a doily and a paper bag. There is stenciling and edge punching. These are the cotton fabric tabs, they're just stapled on. The Tsunami Rose kit page. There is an envelope tuck here with a tag, and we have some ephemera here from Tsunami Rose, and the envelope here, there's nothing in it, but that is from ARTYmaze, and that all just slots in there nicely. We've got a paper tag, a phrase book page. This is a double journaling card from ARTYmaze, and some music paper. Then there is some ephemera and a little journaling card, and that's from ARTYmaze as well. So that just paper clips on. We've got lined paper, more stenciling, more Charming Fragments paper. Here we've just got a little pocket which flips down, so you've got additional journaling space, and we've got a fabric heart on there. We've got a tag here, some ephemera, another journaling card. A doily, paper bag, another fabric tab, some more ephemera just paper clipped on, and then this is just paper clipped on as well, and just slots in there. Some squared paper, hearts on a string in the centre, some more ephemera, and that doesn't want to go in. There we go. Another journaling card, that's a double one. Another phrasebook page, a tag. This is just, oh, this is a flip down one. Another Terry Woods creation. And oh, I'm all fingers and thumbs here, so that one flips out like that, folds up, flips down, and it's also a pocket. So we have this tag and this piece of ephemera from ARTYmaze and this library card. The other side of the paper bag, a doily. Here we've just got it's a pocket, but it's also a little booklet that you can journal inside there. Whoops. And we've got a large doily, little scrap piece of crocheted trim and a flower, a fabric flower, and another envelope which has got nothing inside, and some ephemera. Another fabric tab, some more ephemera, and where's my paper clip? There it is. And some more ephemera that just paper clips on there. This, I've just paper clipped this closed because again this is another flip out with tags. And it's another Terry Woods. So you've got lots of places to journal. There we go. And that just slots in there, and in there, and the paper clip just holds it all together, like so. Fabric tab, paper bag doily, which, oh, I thought it was glued down. And we have a tag, a postcard, that's a double journaling card, and a library card. And this, I've seen someone do this and I can't remember who it was. I think it might have been G.I. Kerr. So it just kind of folds in and down like so. So that is that one. And let me show you this one. I'm going to try and hurry up now so I can get both of these in 15 minutes. Again, the cover is inspired by ARTYmaze. I've used cardstock with cardstock sewn onto the back of it, so it's nice and thick. And we've just got the same things going on that one. Apart from here, we have just a little metal embellishment. So let's go inside. I've used brown tones in this one with a mixture of ephemera from ARTYmaze and Tsunami Rose. A tag. There's a bird theme going on this one. Birds and butterflies. These I've just done, this is a lace trim tab on here. Here we've just got a flip up and it's got a little booklet inside there for you to journal on. And a tag and some ephemera. Just a little tag paper clipped on there, and some more ephemera tucked in here, and obviously that flips out. I only done a little bit of stenciling in this one. Here we've just got an envelope which is also a pocket, a tag, journaling card, and this is an envelope with a journaling card inside. A doily, a paper bag, another lace tab. We've just got this envelope which is paper clipped on here. That's the envelope. And then these two pieces of ephemera are just paper clipped on there, and I've just lost my paper clip. There we have it. Phrasebook page, some ledger paper, some more ephemera paper clipped on, some lined paper, hearts on a string, some more ephemera just paper clipped in here, and some more ephemera, another envelope with just these two items paper clipped in, and that's the envelope. There's nothing inside the envelope. This is a Terry Woods flip page again, so it all comes out just like in the other one, so there's plenty of places to journal. This was the one that took me forever to get my head round, and now I could do it with my eyes closed. So with that piece of ephemera, a tag, and another journaling card slotted in there. Both of these will be listed on my Etsy if you're interested. Some more ephemera. Oh, and a little tag just paper clipped on here. Another one of these flip outs. I'm not going to take it all apart, but it was just like the other one I showed you. We've got a tag, some ephemera, and a library card, and it just paper clips closed. And this is just a corner flip, and the idea came from oh my gosh, Rita Donnelly. I nearly forgot her name then. Sorry Rita. Some ephemera, and that is it. Oh, that's just popped off of there. I'll have to glossy accent that back on there. It's because that was the last one I'd done. I don't think it dried properly. So if you have any questions, just ask. All the links will be below. Don't forget to go over and have a look at ARTYmaze's tutorial on how she done her layering of this kind of look. And I will speak to you all soon. Bye.